Yeah, guys. So yesterday what we discussed about the basic commands. You guys are understood, right? So what we discussed about the basic commands of a file and directory
handling
access. Very good. Handling
tools.
tools, right? So today we will discuss about the. So today we will discuss about day 7, right, guys? Day 7 we'll discuss about the file handling. Sorry, text
Handling tools.
text processing handling or processing text processing tools. What is that, guys? Text processing tools. Text processing tools. Understood? So what are the text processing tools, guys? So the file, right? How you can create a file, how you can modify the file, how you can delete, how you can read the file, how you can read the file, how you can create, modify, read, right? So we can use the commands called touch, guys. Touch, cat, vi or vam, var, vam, and the head, tail, less, more, more, grappo. So grappo. So guys, so these are the commands we can use. So so today we will discuss about three these three commands, guys. Today we will discuss about these three commands. These three commands. So what is a touch command? Syntax. So every command having the syntax, guys. What is the syntax? Touch file name. What is the syntax, guys? Touch file name. So example. So touch hari.txt. So what is that, guys? Hari.txt. So what is the use of touch? Touch. It will create the file without data. So by using touch, it will create the file without data. So what is the use of cat? So cat syntax. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax is uh, syntax is a cat file name. Cat file name. So cat hari.txt. So what it shows, guys? So what it is? It will, if you use the, so we can read the file. So how we can read the file? We can read the file by using cat command. What is that, guys? So we can read the content of the file, or we can read the content of the file. Content of the file. So for example, in Windows, how you are reading the file, guys? For example, if you double click, it automatically open. Is automatic open, and so we can read it. But in the Linux, right? How we can create a, how we can read the file? How we can read the file? So so I want to create a file. How you can create? Go to light and something like a text file. So hari.txt. But but in the Linux, what is the command, guys? Touch. Touch is the command. So we can create the file, but without data. So cat is nothing but a create a file. So read the file. What is that, guys? We can read the content of the file by using the cat command. So what is the vam? So vam syntax is, something like hash vi file name, file name. So cat vi hari.txt. So what this content, guys? Create the file, create, modify, and read the file. Read the file. So in the real time, most of the times are using vi command only. What is that, guys? So vi command only. In the most of the times we are using the vi command only. Guys, understood? touch cat vi. So what is the touch, guys? Touch is a touch is used to create a file without data. Cat is used to read the content of the file. So vim. So vi file is nothing but a create, modify, read the file. Read the a file, guys. Understood now? Yeah, I will tell you. So vi having and vi having three modes, guys. We're having three modes. So command mode. So one is a command mode. So one is a command mode. Uh, two is a execution command mode. Insert mode. Insert mode. Third one is execution mode. Execution mode. So these are the three modes, guys. I will tell you these three modes. Guys, now you understood? So we can create a file by using touch or a VI. But by touch, we can create the file without data. But by using VIM, we can create the file, read the file, modify the file. So just for creating the file purpose without data, we can use the touch command, guys. Okay? Yeah. Touch, hurry.txt. hurry.txt ls. Yeah, text file is created. Let's check ll. Yeah, this is the a file is created by the by touch command. Let's check. So any data is any data is available. There is no data in the file. There is no data in the file. By using touch command, we can create the file without data. We can create the file without data. So right, understood? Cat. So what is the cat command, guys? So cat command. So cat is to read the content of the file. For example, cd slash var log. Yeah, guys. So here you see. So what is this, guys? Here file. What is the file? Messages. Messages is the file. Mail log is the file. Okay. I want to cat messages. Cat messages. You see? So we can read the file. How you can read the file? You can read the file by using the cat command. So you can read the file by using cat command. Guys, understood? Cat mail log. So cat mail log. You see? So this is the log. So this is a file. So a file contains the data. A file contains the data. What data? Something. So something. This file contains the data. This file contains the data. Guys, understood? Cat is used to read the content of the file. Yes. So this is the content of the file. So touch is only for creating the data without so creating a file without data, without data. Guys, understood? So yeah, touch cat, touch and so cat completed. Touch and cat completed. Now I want to yes. So cat having some drawback, guys. So mail log, right? ls cd var log. So this is the message, guys. So message having so message contains, right? Du hyphen sch star. Yeah. So 456k. So contains cat messages. You see? So number of files, something like number of pages. A messages contains the number of pages, but I want to read the page at a time. We can't possible because of we can see the page by page, right? Let's check. Let's check. I will show you. No worries. Yeah, cat is for read the content of the file. So touch is for creating creating a file without data. So creating a file so without data. So what is that, guys? Next is so what is the next, guys? Next is VI or VIM. What is that, guys? VI or VIM. So VIM, we can use the VIM, create the file, modify the file, and read the file. Read the a file, guys. So read the a file. 1 second, guys. Read the a file. Pop. Yeah. So VI, right? So VIM or VI editor, VIM editor. VI means visual display editor. VIM is nothing but visual display editor improved. This command mode editor for files. So other editors in the Linux are Emacs, Gedit. VI editor is the most popular. So in the real time also we are using VI editor only. It has 3 modes. So how many modes, guys? It has 3 modes: command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So command mode, insert mode, and execution mode. So execution mode or extended mode, guys, understood? So when you create a file something like vim or vi.txt, so once you enter into the once you hit the file, so it will go to the command mode. So command mode we cannot do anything, so we want to add the data, so you want to go to the insert mode. How you can go to the insert mode? By pressing the IAO. So press I in the keyboard. If you press the I, if you are in the command mode, you want to go to the insert mode, we need to press I in the keyboard. Once you are press I in the keyboard, you need to go to the insert mode. Once you add the data, so once you add the data, we need to save the file, right? So in the save file, we can use the execution mode. So directly we cannot save. We cannot go from insert mode to execution mode. So because of, so we cannot save the file. If you want to save the file again, we want to go to the command mode by executing the escape command in the keyboard. Once you press the escape command, it will back to the command mode. From command mode to we can go to the execution mode or in execution mode. Execution mode means we want to save the file or quit the file, or save quit, right? So we can use the execution mode to save and quit the file. Insert mode, we need to add the file. So for the command mode, so you just add the lines, you just delete the lines, copy the lines in the command mode. I will tell you, no worries. So in the insert mode, you can insert the data. In the execution mode, you can save the data. Save the data. Guys, understood? Yeah. So it is used to create, read, and edit the files by using VI. So insert mode. In the insert mode, you see, guys, I is nothing but to insert the mode at the cursor position. Capital I is nothing but to insert the beginning of the file. A is nothing but to append the next words letter. Capital A is nothing but to append the end of the line. O is nothing but to insert a new line below the cursor position. Capital O is nothing but to insert a new line above the cursor position. So this is the insert mode options. Okay, so command mode options. So what are the command mode options? So if you press the GG to go to the beginning of the page, so if you use the capital G to go to the end of the page, W to move the cursor forward word by word, B is word by word backward, and W is nothing but to move number of words, NB is nothing but to move the backward and number of words, U is nothing but to undo the latest changes. So capital U is nothing but to undo the previous changes. Controller is nothing but a redo the changes. YY is nothing but a copy the line. NYY, I want to copy a 5 line. So you can use NYY. So N5YY. So P is nothing but a paste the line below the cursor position. Capital P is nothing but a paste the line above the cursor position. DW to delete the word letter by letter. X is nothing but to delete the letter letter by letter. DD is nothing but to delete the entire line. NDD is nothing but to delete the number of lines, 5 lines, 10 lines, and slash is nothing but to search the word in the file. Right, extended mode is used to save and quit or save without quit the escaping keyword and shift colon. So what is the, guys? Escape plus shift colon. W is nothing but a save and save the changes. Escape plus WQ quit the changes. WQ save and quit. W exclamatory save forcefully. WQ save and quit forcefully. X is nothing but a save and quit. So capital X is nothing but to give the password to the file and remove the password to the file. So 20 and it go to the line number 20. So escape set and new to set the line numbers to the files. Set no and new to remove the line numbers from the lines. Guys, understood? Extended mode commands, options, and the insert options, and the command mode options. Command mode options. Right, guys, understood? So now VI Hurry.txt already there, right? Let's check. Hurry.txt already there. So I'm creating a file, call it as a vi 360 degree 360 degree dot txt, for example txt. Yeah, so now you are in the which mode, guys? Now you are in the which mode, guys?
Command.
Yes, very good. So now you are in the command mode. So once you enter into the file, so you are in the command mode. So what you can do in the command mode, you can do it in the delete the lines, copy the lines, paste the lines, everything, right? Word by word, capital, cursor by cursor, to move the cursor, undo the changes, delete the files, copy the files, paste the files, but nothing is there, right? So nothing is there. So then you can go to the insert mode. How you can go to the insert mode? By using press I. Press I to begin the insert mode at the cursor position. Yeah. So if you want to go to from command mode to insert mode, what is the option you need to press, guys? I in the keyboard. I pressed in the keyboard. Now I am in the insert mode. Now I am in the insert mode. Insert mode, we can add the data. So this is the first. This is the first line. So this is the second line. So this is the third line. So this is the fourth. This is the fourth line. This is the fifth. Excuse me, guys. This is the fifth line. Yeah. So I added the data in the file, right? I want to save this data. I want to save this data. So if you want to save the data, we need to go to the execution mode. Is it possible to go to directly from insert mode to execution mode? No, it is not possible. So you can go back to the escape. You can go back to the command mode. Then you can go from command mode to execution mode. So if you want to go to from insert mode to command mode, so what is the command, guys? The command is, what is the command, guys? You need to press the Guys, you need to press the escape button in the keyboard. There is a left top, there is a escape button is there, right? You can press the escape button. You see, from insert to command mode. You directly go to the insert to command mode. Now we are in the command mode. How you can go to from command mode to in execution mode? Shift plus colon. You can in the keyboard. So in the keyboard you can execute the shift. Yeah, I clicked the shift plus colon. Yeah, you see, shift plus colon. In the shift colon, now you are in the execution mode. So if you want to save, and quit, if you want to save and quit the file. So what are the commands, guys? Save and quit purpose. Yeah, so you are in the extended mode. Yeah, you are in the color in the colon. So W is nothing but the save the changes. Q is nothing but quit the changes. WQ is nothing but to save and quit. W exclamatory save forcefully. WQ exclamatory save and quit forcefully. W and you can press the WQ and shift one. Shift one, guys. It is a exclamatory. Save quit forcefully. Exclamatory is nothing but a forcefully. Yes, we saved the. Sorry, guys. We saved the file cat 360 degrees.txt. Yeah. So you created the file 360.txt and you added the data. You added the data. Guys, understood? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, right? Yeah. So now again you want to go to the 360 dot. I want to modify the file. I want to modify. How you can modify? So again, now you are in the command mode. I want to go to the insert mode. How you can go insert mode? By pressing the I. Now I am in the insert mode. So this is the sixth line. Sixth line. This is the seventh. This is the seventh line. Just we added a 2 lines, guys. So now you are in the insert mode, right? So if you want to save this file, you can go to the execution mode. How you can go to the execution? By press escape. You are in the command mode. Then you want to go to the execution mode. Shift plus colon. Now you are in the execution mode. So I am using Q means quit forcefully without saving the data. Quit forcefully. Q means quit forcefully without save. Let's check. Cat 360 degrees dot txt. Is the data added or not, guys? Is the data added? Before
No,
it is
sir.
the fifth line. Now also it is fifth line. Why it was not added?
Because we didn't save the
Very
file,
good.
sir.
Yes, yes. So we just quit the file without save. We write the data, but so we did not use the quit save. We use only the quit. We only use the quit. So that's the reason it will not save. It was not save. It is not saving the file. It is not saving the file. Again, vi 360 degree dot txt. 360 dot degree is t. Yeah. So this is the sixth sixth line. So this is the seventh line. So this is the eighth line. Eighth line. Now I want to go to from insert to command mode, then execution mode. Yeah, now I'm in the execution mode. WQ exclamatory. Save kit forcefully. Now let's check cat 360 dot degree dot txt. Guys, it's saved or not? The data is saved or not? Newly
Yes,
added
sir.
data. Yes, right? Very good.
Yes, sir.
So this is nothing but a VI command. This is nothing but a VI. Guys, now you understood? Yeah. Now, so command mode. Now you understood the insert mode and the insert mode and command mode, right? So something like VI 360 degree dot txt, right? So I want to set the line numbers. I want to set the line numbers. So what you can, where you can go, you can go to the execution mode directly from shift colon set NU. You see, guys. So line number added. So line number added, right, guys? So line number added. You want to remove the line numbers. Again, escape, shift colon, set no nu. Set no nu means it will remove the line numbers. Set nu means it will
Give
set,
numbering, sir. It will give numbering.
it will give numbering. So again, escape, WQ, set no nu. It will remove the numbering. Guys, understood? So I want to search the file, right? I want to search the file. How you can search? So this is the command mode. So second, you see, second. So only one file is there. Only so one file is there. So now you are in the which mode, guys? So if it is a colon, you are in the execution mode. If it is a I insert, if you are in the insert mode. So there is nothing is there, right? You are in the command mode. So command mode. So in the command mode, what you can do? You can delete the file. If you use the DD, if you press the DD at a time, DD, you see? So it removed the line number. You see, it removed the line number. Yeah. So something like mm, 3YY. Guys, three lines anchored. I want to paste the line. Yes, right. So I want to paste the lines. P is nothing but a paste the lines. P. It will paste the line. Guys, understood? I want to I want to copy the 5 lines from the cursor. So 5YY. Right. 5 lines anchored. So paste, paste. Right. It will be pasting. Guys, now I understood. I want to save the file. Yes. Now you see 360 degrees dot txt, right? So we have how many pages? We have a number of pages. So number of pages. Guys, understood? Guys, understood the execution mode? You guys
Yes,
can
sir.
practice. You guys can practice it. Now you understood? Yeah, set NU, set no NU, 29 numbers go to the line number 20, escape 20N. Now check. VA cat 360 degrees. I want to set the line number, set NU. Yeah. So I want to go to the line number 20, right? So again you can go to the escape, press 20 NU. Sorry guys. So here escape shift colon 20 N. Sorry. Shift colon, so 20 N. Shift colon 20. So directly it will go to the 20 line number. Again I want to go to the 30 line number. How you can go? Directly you can go 30 line number. So I'm removing the line numbers guys. Set no NU. No NU. Then again I'm using 20. You see guys? So it will directly come to the line number 20. It will directly come to the line number 20. Guys understood? Guys understood? You guys can practice it. You guys can practice it. Okay? Guys, you guys can download it this material or not, guys? You guys downloaded or not? The day six, there is a Linux in the right in the YouTube. So you say right if you want to reset. Yeah, that this is the playlist. I want to learn the zero playlist. Oh, right, for more videos where I can add it. Where I add it. Yeah, so below is the link for the Linux material. Once you click it, you click, so it will come here. So this is the Linux material doc. You guys can download it by using the download file. It will automatically download. Okay,
Okay, sir.
or you can use the view raw. It will automatically open the a file. Okay, it will open the file or download the file. You can do whatever it may be. So I already pasted in the where I pasted, guys. I pasted in the day 6 linux material.md. So this is the URL to download the document. This is the URL, and I pasted all the commands here, whatever we learned yesterday, right? So today this is 6, guys. Yeah, so this is the what this is a va. What is the head under tile? What is a head tile less more grep, guys? So what is a head? Head is nothing but if you use the head command, it will display the top 10 lines from the given document or a file. Guys, it will display the top 10 lines from the given document. I don't want this entire log. I don't want cat 360 degree does txt. I don't want this entire data. I want first 10 lines of the I want to test 10 lines of the file. I want first 10 lines of the file. So you can use the command. What is the command, guys? Head. Head is the command. So it will display the first 10 lines. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Understood? So it will display first 10 lines. I want to display a first 5 lines only. Head hyphen 5. It will display only 5 lines. I want to display 2 lines only. It will display 2 lines. I want to display 8 lines. I want to display the first 8 lines. It will display 8 lines. Head is nothing but it will display the top 10 lines by default. If you want to give any options, we can search it. Guys, understood? So that is nothing but a head. Head is nothing but it will display the top 10 lines from the given document. Syntax is head options, head options. So file name, head options, a file name, right? Option is nothing but a hyphen 5, hyphen 3. So those are the options. Understood? So tail. What is a tail? Tail is nothing but a bottom. What is nothing but, guys? So I don't want to display the entire lines of the file. I want to display a bottom 10 lines. So display it will display the bottom 10 lines 10 lines from the given document. So document array a file. So given document array a file. So what is the syntax, guys? Syntax is so head sorry tail options file name. Same like as a if you give the 5 4 3. So by default it will display 10 lines. By default it will display the 10 lines. 10 lines if you want to give, so we can give number of lines. And hyphen f, what is nothing but, guys? Hyphen f, bottom sorry tail hyphen f, something like 10 hyphen or else 5 hyphen 6 hyphen. So it will display the file name. File name is nothing but a hari.txt. So if you create the so hyphen f is nothing but a so it will display so something like application is application, right? The application logs, for example, application and that messages file, right? Continuously file continuously writing the logs, continuously writing the logs. So it will display last how many lines? Last for example 6 lines. It will shows the last 6 lines. So less or more. So less or more is nothing but a to display the I will show you the tail, right, guys? Tail file name hari dot sorry 360 degree dot txt, right, guys? Yeah, it will display the you see last 10 lines. It will display the last 10 lines. I want to display the last hyphen 5f. So it will display the file lines. If you guys you see if you use the hyphen f, so it will not end the file. So something like someone is right at the line number 8, right? Right, 1 second. I will show you. Duplicate session, root, red hat, vi 360 degree dot txt. So here, right? What is the 8th line, right? So I want to go to the insert. Then so this is the 10th line. 10th line. So wq insert cat 360 degrees dot txt. Control C. You see, guys, so this is the 10th line. This is the 10th line. So it will open, it will not close the file. It will not close the command continuously. If the file is writing, it will automatically show up in here. It automatically show up in the here. This is the example of tail. Guys, understood? So if you are not using the hyphen f, it will directly come out with the file lines. It will come out with the file lines. But hyphen f, it will automatically write the files. It will show the last line. So it will add it and it will show the last line. Guys, understood? So this is the tail, head and tail. The next one is less more. So less more. So we can use the, so something like this is the document, right? So this is the document. This document contains how many files, guys? How many pages? So 112 pages. This document contains 112 pages. So if you execute the cat the file name linux material, it will directly go to the from first to last, but we will not see the data page by page or line by line, right? I want to see the data. I want to see the data. I want to see the data array. I want to read the data. I want to see the data or read the data line by line or page by page. So you can use the less and more command. So less and more command same. So by press the space bar, it will display the page by page, page by page. So by press enter button, so enter button, by press the enter button, it will show line by line. It will show the line by line. So less and more are the same, but it will shows the percentage. The more, it will show the percentage. Grep, right? The entire file, in the entire file, this is the 112 pages. I want to search a particular keyword. I want to search a particular keyword. For example, insert or a document or a file, particular keyword on the file, it will display it, it will display and it will show it on the page. Grep, it will display, a particular keyword. It will display if you search it, if you search grep is nothing but a searching. Grep is nothing but a searching the keyword, searching the keyword, searching the keyword. Guys, understood? Guys, understood?
Sir wants to explain less, more, and grep.
Yeah, I will explain. So I will explain, no worries. So this is the file save as. So today is day 7, right, guys? Day 7, day 7 dot txt. Yeah, guys. Save. Okay. Yeah. So what is that, guys? Lesser, lesser, lesser 360 degree dot txt. If you see here, so this is the page. So we have a other page also. If you press the space bar, it will show the page by page. It will show the page by page by using, if you quit end, so less. So if you execute the enter button, if you enter the enter button, you will see, guys, it will show the line by line. It will show the line by line. If you execute the space, it will show the page by page. By pressing space bar, it will show the page by page. By pressing enter, it will show the line by line. So this is the less, more 360 degree dot txt. You see, guys, more. So the file 45% file is opened. So if you press a space bar, you see 92%, the second page. So the 100%, 100%. So more, so 35%, right? Or 45%. Guys, mute yourself. Mute yourself, guys. Yeah. So if you press the enter, you see guys, 67, 47, 57, 52. So it will shows the line by line. It will shows the a line by line. So line by a line will show the line by line. So in the more, it will show the a percentage. The less, it will not show the percentage. Right? If you press space bar directly from 45 to 92. So again 100 percentage. Again 100 percentage. Guys, now understood? I will show you another example. CD var var log, right? Var log WLS ls. So less messages. You see, guys. So so July 4th, July 4th, this is the page by page. It will shows the page by page. Press enter. It will show the line by line. It will shows the line by line. You see? So it will shows the 31, 37, 11, 3, that 37, 38, right? It will changing, right? This is nothing but a less. More, it will show the percentage. More, it will show the percentage. So 0%, 1%, 2%, 3%, 4%, 5%, 6%. So these having a number of pages. This having the number of pages. If you press the enter, you see just the percentage line by line, line by line. It will shows the line by line. Press the enter button. Press the space bar. It will see. It will change. It will see the. It will see the content page by page. Just press enter. It will see the line by line. Guys, understood? Grep. Yeah. So for example, cat slash cat messages. So cat messages pipe. I want to execute the command. Grep hyphen I is nothing but a case sensitive. For example, error. So this messages file contains number of pages. Number of pages. So but in this message file, so we will search only the error. So wherever the error is there on that line number, it will display it will display. So it will display. So if you are not using the hyphen I is nothing but a case sensitive. So if you search as a small error, right, but it will display combination of capital and small, capital and small also. But if you delete this, if you search the only error, so there is no logs. If you search the capital letter E, yeah, so we have only three errors. I want to search only the capital R letters. Yeah, so capital R. So I don't want to see I want to check the everything, the combination of small letters, the combination of capital letters, the combination of small and capital. It will display. That is nothing but a case sensitive. Case sensitive. It will display both so both the error, capital letters, small letters, and the combination of capital and small. Guys, so if you want to search any keyword on the file, if you use the pipe grep symbol. Grep is nothing but to search the keyword. Search the keyword on the given document. Search the keyword on the given document. Guys, understood? Guys,
Yes, sir.
understood?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
right? So yeah, so this is nothing but a text
Just processing
processing tool.
tool.
Actually, I forgot one thing. I will show you that thing today. Yeah. So file handling tools, right? The file handling tools. I said how you created the directory. Go to the
KDAR
mkdir, mkdir, and
file
the
name
file
following.
name, directory name,
Yeah.
right? So you want to create a, I want to create a root or something like a 360 degree. Yeah, I want to create a folder in this 360 degree. That is a class 1. Class 1. I want to create a class 1 directory in the slash root 360 directories. How you can create, guys? First you need to
Make
go to the root, right? Then you can go to the root to 360 degrees. 360 degrees. Then you can create the
MKDAR class
mkdir
1.
class 1. right? So I don't want to go to the, I don't want to go to here. I want to create wherever I am, wherever I am. I want to create a, I want to create a file or a directory, or I want to see the files or a directories or content of the file also, content of the file. So right, messages file is this is the file, right? So this is the file. This file is located in the which directory, guys? The file is located in the where
Log
log
there.
messages. The file is located in the where log messages. So I want to read the file. So I want to read the file. So first we need to go to the cd where, then cd log, then cat messages, right? So first we need to go to the file and we can execute the command. But I don't want to, I want to go to that file location directly. I want to execute wherever I am. For example, I am in the root. I am in the root directory. So I'm in the root directory. I want to execute the command cat cat where log messages. I want to execute the command. I want to execute the command wherever I am. But before we executed the command, so we need to go to that path and then we can execute the file. But I don't want to go to the path. So whenever I am in the root directory. So I want to execute this file. So how you can go, how you can execute, how you can execute this command? You can execute this command by giving full path of the file or a directory. So we can give full path of the file or a directory wherever you are. So we have a, so we can execute the, we can execute the commands in two ways. So we can execute the commands in two ways. So we can execute the commands in two ways. So one is absolute path and relative path. Guys, tell me. So relative path and absolute path. So absolute path is nothing but so wherever wherever you are, you can execute the command, execute the command by giving full path. Example, cat slash it where log, so log messages, varlog messages, mkdir hyphen p is nothing but a parent directory. I want to create a directory within the directly without go to that directory. 360 degree 360 degree class 1. Guys, understood? So we can execute the commands in two ways. So one is absolute path, the other one is the relative path. Relative path means we need to we need to go to the path and 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 execute the command, example, cd where cd log cat messages, right? So we can execute the command in two ways. One is absolute path, the second one is relative path. So first one is absolute path, second one is a relative path. Absolute path and a relative path. So absolute path is nothing but a, so wherever you are, you can execute the command by giving the full path. So relative path is nothing but we need to go to that path and then execute the path, then execute the then execute the command. Then execute the command. Guys, now you understood a relative path and a absolute path. Guys, now you understood absolute path and a relative path. So relative path, I will show you the commands. Okay. So where you are in the root directory ls. So we have a 360 directory. First you are in the root directory. We need to go to the 360-degree directory, right? So rm-rf star. Tomorrow you will know, guys, those commands. Yeah. So there is nothing is there. I want to create a directory. mkdir class 1. So this is nothing but a relative path. So relative path. So now ls, I am removing this file rm-rf star ls. There is no files, right? And so where I am, guys, I am in the root directory. So I want to create a, so or else I will go to the opt, I will go to the temp folder. Yeah. So where I am in the temp directory. I want to create a directory mkdir -p root 360 degrees. So class, what is the directory, guys? Class 1. So I will create a directory. So wherever I am, wherever you are, so you are in the temp directory, but I want to create a directory within the root. Within the root, there is a 360 degrees. In the 360 degrees, we need to go to the, we need to create the class 1. Let's check. Yes. Is it created? Sorry. cd root 360 degrees ls. Class 1 is created or not, guys? Yeah. So we can create by using two ways, right? cd. Yeah. So log, guys. cat var log messages, right, guys? I am in the where I am in the pwd, I am in the root directory, but I executed the file. I executed the file from the root directory. That the file is located in the var log, so in these directories, but I executed. Yeah. How you can execute the commands, guys? You can execute the commands by using two ways. You can execute the commands cd. If you want to execute the relative path, cd var cd log, then cat messages. Guys, understood? So relative path and absolute path. Absolute path is nothing but a full path. So relative path is nothing but we need to go to that path and we can execute the command. So in the absolute path, wherever you are, you can execute the command. You can execute the command. Guys, understood? Guys,
Yes, sir.
understood? Yes. Thank you, guys. So we'll continue from tomorrow. Satti Reddy, right?
Yes, sir.
1 second, guys. I will copy the day 6, right, guys? I want to 360 degrees. So add upload a files. I want to upload the file of desktop Linux freshers. Where you copied the day 7, right? Yes. Post into this file. Hello. Yes, guys. Yeah. So commit the changes. 360 degrees Linux freshers. Yeah. Day 7 is added, guys. Added with the text. Yes, guys. So this is the commands. So we executed today, right? Whatever the commands we executed today, I uploaded in the file. Okay. You guys go through it and check it. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I will add the that YouTube link and the uh, we have, right? We have. Yeah. Today we don't have a PNGs, right? Yeah, guys. So we'll continue from tomorrow, guys. Saturday,
Yes, sir.
you can call me on this number. I will paste you in the chat. 9666721 Okay, this is my number, guys. You guys can save it. And so most of the times I will not leave the calls, guys. If you have any doubts, please WhatsApp me. I will reply to you guys. Okay.
Okay, sir.
So this is my number 9666721 Okay.
Yes, sir.
Yeah, you can call me after the class. Saturday. Okay.
Sir, from here you can
Hmm.
install, means you can approve.
Wait,
I will
I
give
will
the
stop.
access, sir. I will share my screen and
1 second. 1 second.